Welcome everyone to Animask Theatre. Today, we're featuring Avery and her hydraulic robot arm.
So this is a hydraulic arm. It's controlled by these syringes filled with water. When you pull them, the force of the water moves the machine, and you can use it to pick up and drop things. This syringe right here is connected to this syringe, and when I pull it, it moves left, and when I push it, it moves right. This one right here controls this syringe right here, and it makes the machine move up and down depending on if I push or pull. This syringe right here connects to this syringe right here, and it makes like the elbow move up and down. This one right here opens and closes the hands. If I push it, it closes, and if I pull it, it opens.
Wow, that was a cool robot arm. Thank you, Avery, for showing us the power of hydraulics and machinery. Can you think of cool things to build at home or at school? That would be awesome. Keep dreaming and keep building. See you again next time, my little friends.